To our beloved brother, our beloved Executive Minister, Brother Eduardo B. Manalo, we would like to thank our Almighty God for your continuous dynamic and victorious leadership inside the Church of Christ. From all of us po in the Ecclesiastical District of Quebec and Atlantic Canada, we would like to greet you po. Happy 16th anniversary po!
We love you po! We love you po! We love you po! We love you po!